customize them slightly. You can map them to whatever you think is. So this is all processor-based. So it's running in real time on the Linux target. So it's you start off with you have all the features you can sort of control the
student run basically. Yeah. So basically the same way. Actually, you can the student can just go into this like here, this live and they'll be able to actually go to resources and they can go getting started. So we go from the resources, and this will bring them to kind of like all the instruments installing, using, right? And we, you know, our products in the past they've always
teaching. You can customize your
say, oh, I need to download this software, this is how I set things up. So it's very quick, and then what they do after that is you would go back to this page. So like I mentioned, you connect to the device. And then once this device is connected, you can
our
pull up
products
pixels
primarily for Elvis and the Moment are based on
or you can have like custom waveform generators,
application of control
things like that. This is just a waveform generator.
Another
And what we're doing here actually is
Oh yeah, I mean not in the IDEX, but in general, yes.
Whatever, you can get access to our code, you can get access to our data sheet, and if you want to create your own product, you have the ability to do so. So this is the Beakerboom Blue, this is the robotics board, and the whatever, you can get access to our code, you can get access to our data sheet, and if you want to create your own product, you have the ability to do so. So this is the Beakerboom Blue, this is the robotics board, and the
Oh, too fast.
Yeah, that's what I was doing.
But it has a very low balance threshold. It just eventually will break out and
Is it moving?
stabilize.
Those are tough things to do in programs. You got to have a different set of coefficients.
Exactly. But when it's moving, it seems to smooth out.
There we go, it's moving.
It just cannot be too aggressive, not be too violent.
No impulse
Come on,
functions.
knock him out, knock him out.
All right, we
Knock
can
him
have a
out.
game.
Well, my guy can go over the electrical cord. Why can't you? Oh, you Murder!
Once it fell down,
Yeah, it starts over, huh?
yeah, you'll quit.
Let me
It will quit.
Okay, we got a tight space.
Yeah.
Watch out for that board.
Watch out.
Okay, so I work at
Right, James.
part of that is so if you anybody else ever has a problem with CI technology, that is what we hear. There's E2E and all that other stuff, but we're dedicated to it. Okay, yeah, figure that out.
that was my case.
We'll talk outside. We'll talk outside. Okay. All right. Did somebody have a question? No. Let's see it. So
That's like this lady in my neighborhood. Every year she gets a pile of mulch, and she has it dumped in front, and she has like a mannequin's arm sticking out, you know, or a foot coming out one side.
You know, my students will complain, how come we're not doing this cool stuff?
Yeah, that's exactly right.
Says, because we're profit-oriented, we're not qualified for grants.
Yeah.
So, okay, sounds good. Thank you.
Yeah.